Hey guys, so what we got here is a very beautiful industrial ceiling fan. This is the Banvil Enviro Gold Line, well actually Enviro Breeze, industrial ceiling fan in black finish. This is Jeffrey's fan. He got it for Christmas last year.
That is the only fan my mom has ever come up to me and said, I like that.
Wow.
My mom really likes black finishes. So when she saw that, she's like, ooh, I like that.
Yeah, and yeah, he also got a 36-inch gold line for his birthday, and believe it or not, his mom got them both at the same time. He got one for his birthday and one for Christmas. And I'm sure many of you, if many of you know already, I got a white gold line for my birthday, 56-inch white gold line, just like this one, but in white. I actually just tested it a few days ago. I don't know if you guys saw my video of it.
Yours is probably a hell of a lot cleaner than mine.
Yeah.
Where I'm standing, the top of the blades is just all, like, orange and dusty.
Yeah. So anyways, here's a close-up of it. You can see. And yeah, just like mine, the sticker up there. I don't think I need to show you guys all the stickers again because I showed you it on mine. But anyways, we'll demonstrate it. And by the way, there's the silver line there. I'm not going to show that again on speeds because I've already showed it before. But yeah, here it is on low, the gold line. And here's Jeff taking my can arm fan down. Yeah, this thing really buzzes. In fact, this doesn't buzz as bad as my gold line. Oh, jeez.
What the heck? This thing is so loud. That thing is so loud on a solid state.
Oh dear, is there actually wet paint in there?
No, it's just the glossy paint that's been dry for like 3 days now. It's good now.
Oh dear, for some reason I can't get my camera to focus. Okay.
I still don't know.
Uh-oh, my camera's not Why is my camera not focusing?
Try to turn it away from the fan, like focus on the ceiling or something like that, then bring it back. That's normally what I do.
Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but my camera doesn't seem to want to focus. Did I accidentally do something wrong?
I don't think so.
Okay, all good. It's clear again.
She wobbles a little bit.
Yeah, she does wobble.
I think I bent one of the blades up while installing it. I can see it from here. 2 of them are straight, then 1 of them's bent up. I'm honestly just way too lazy to fix it.
Here's the buzzing.
It gets worse when the speed gets turned up.
Oh wow.
That's the quiet speed. Normally it's a lot slower, but that's just because it's in the wintertime when the heater's on.
And there's the silver line running on low. Okay. Oh my god, what is going on with my camera? I don't really want to have to restart this whole video just to make sure it starts to focus again. Sorry guys if my camera might not focus in this video sometimes. I don't know what's going on. Man, this fan's really buzzy. Well, then they should be on a quiet 4 or 3-speed wall control.
I couldn't find one that could handle both the fans. I really didn't feel like making a whole new redoing all my wiring to make them on their own controls.
Well, I know my gold line's worse with the solid state.
Really?
Yeah, like it buzzes so loud. I don't know, my garage is really small. I guess it could depend on the space.
Yeah, because I also have my door open too. It's not really that quiet here right now.
Alright, so yeah, here it is buzzing. And now we'll We're gonna turn it up more. There's the silver line again. I'll just show the silver line briefly, like when I'm going up to the control.
Now they get loud.
I don't know. I'm sure you remember. I don't know. I think the last time I was here, that control was a can arm solid state. This fan's going really fast now. It's going to become a windstorm in here.
I told you, but I might as well tell the people of YouTube's too. My friends are scared of it. All my friends who've seen it run are scared of the thing. It's hilarious.
Well, actually, my Gold Line, I was pretty scared to try it out because my garage is so small. Yeah. Could already hear that helicopter noise. Good. Okay, I better make this quick because I want to be able to time for spin down. Silver line again. Turn it up to here. My camera doesn't seem to focus whenever I show the control, huh? I better make sure not to stick my hands up that high or else I'll lose my hand.
I'm gonna do a redo video of the Mayfair.
You're redoing it?
For myself, yeah. Because it only takes like 5 minutes to take that down.
Oh yeah, you need to take the Mayfair down.
Yep. Now it's like it's an industrial fan.
Man, this fan looks like it's already on high.
You may not be able to see a difference, but if you were to point the control to high right now, you'd hear that thing just randomly whip right up.
Alright.
That fan it's such a bonus. Like I describe it as a beautiful beast.
Okay. And there's silver line again. I don't know how many times I'll keep showing that whenever I go to the control. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. There's my fan coming down. Man, I don't even know if it'll make a difference on high. Like right when I...
At this point, no. If you're actually high right now, the only thing it'll do is just the noise goes away.
You just turned it straight to high?
Yep. When it gets to a certain point in the control, all they'll do is buzz. The speed didn't change. All it did was just the buzz went away.
Oh wow. It blows so much air. Yeah, I think mine does the same thing. When it goes all the way up to high, buzz goes away.
Yep.
Yeah, but she's a pretty fast fan. Alright, let's do spin down. And there's the silver line on high.
I don't know if you guys remember from when Brandon made a video of the tat that was in the Gold Line spot. I said I timed the spin down of them. That one takes about 2.5, 3 minutes to spin down. Silver line takes like 5. I literally sat there with a timer. It takes over 5 full minutes for that silver line to spin completely down.
So this Gold Line doesn't take long to spin down.
No. I know, I oiled the bearings when I first got it because I thought there was something wrong with it. But it turns out I just had the low speed turn on my control adjusted incorrectly. But yeah, so the bearings were oiled and the fan runs pretty frequently. So the bearings are probably well broken in by now.
Oh, this fan's a cord plug. I don't think, was the tat a cord plug? I don't think it was.
Oh, the tat's actually right behind you. No, it was hardwired.
But you made this, you put a box here for a plug.
Yep, I took down the electric, because that's the electrical box where the tat was is where my testing rig is. That's the same box. I just left the hook for the tat there, then I just pulled the wire out of the box and wired up an outlet to it. I'll save that spot specifically for cord and plug, although I honestly don't think I'll ever replace the gold line. I'm very happy with both the fans. I didn't want to replace the silver line with the tat.
Yeah. So it's about to stop now. And it stopped. And yeah, silver.
It's still going pretty decently.
Yeah, silver line is still going. Alright, so that is it for the gold line. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And these are all the videos from my visit, this time at Jeffrey Robinson's. So, yeah, nice visit this was. So, yep, so thanks for watching, and we'll see what's new here next time when I come visit.